We're here now at RJ Groner. Joining me is John Toohey. John, great to have you on the program as always as we talk about plumbing and HVAC needs. And I understand that you've got this new product that's going to save homeowners like 40% on their heating bills. And this is for people that have the hot water boiler system that would have like radiators and things like that, right?
You are correct, George. So we have recently partnered with a company out of New Jersey called Kinetics, a local manufacturer, been in business for over 40 years. They manufacture a boiler that they guarantee will save a customer 40% on their fuel costs compared to a standard efficiency system that they may have now or an older boiler that they may have on the market.
How do they know if this system is for their home?
Okay, so very simple. If you have cast iron radiators in your house, if you have baseboard that runs along the walls inside your home, you most likely have a hot water heating system in your house. Typically, you also get your hot water from that same boiler. So those three things usually are indication that you have that type of system in your home. With the increases we've seen over the last 2 years due to COVID, due to supply chain issues, we've seen the prices of just the standard basic boilers rise almost to the same level as this boiler. So why wouldn't you, at this point, put something in that you know is going to save you a relatively substantial amount on your fuel costs for the heating season?
John, as we talk about indoor air quality, many people have ducts in their homes that carry the air through the house, but if they've had them for a long time, there's a good chance that they're pretty dirty inside.
Yeah, George. So one of the markets that we've recently expanded into is duct cleaning market. Indoor air quality, the ability to treat the air, to clean the air, to purify the air, and to clean the systems that deliver the air has become a very big issue in the last couple of years. So we had made the decision 2 years ago to get into this market to provide those services for our customers and for potential new customers.
So what's involved with cleaning the air ducts?
So in order to clean air ducts effectively, you need special type of equipment. And we've made the investment into that equipment so that we can bring this process to our customers. And when you're cleaning ductwork, some of the things that are very important to note, over the years, ductwork can become lined with all sorts of debris, dust, pet hair, just years of living in the home. And that becomes a breeding ground for mold, for viruses, for germs, to just linger in the home year after year. So we go in with a special type of machinery that allows us to actually brush that debris off of the lining of the ductwork. At the same time, that machine is actually vacuuming out that material. So we're not introducing it into the airstream. We're actually removing it right at the source, right where it is. And then to back that up, we will then sanitize the ductwork with a environmentally friendly sanitizer so that we don't have to worry about health issues or anything along those lines, but we know that we're effectively killing whatever might be in that ductwork.
And all systems pretty much have some sort of filters or something that should be changed regularly too for air quality.
Correct.
Right?
So one of the biggest things that you can do, George, in your home, especially if you have an air distribution system, ductwork, is change your filters regularly. I mean, that really makes a huge difference. There are so many great products on the market now for indoor air quality to help enhance the air that you're breathing, especially in the wintertime. Now we're closed up inside our homes. There's no fresh air coming in from the outside. So somehow you have to treat that stale air. Products such as ultraviolet lights, HEPA filters, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, all play a role in cleaning the air inside your house and giving you that fresh feeling, that spring type feeling of air that's moving through your home rather than what you get stuck with in the winter. So,
John, you also offer a service for cleaning drier air vents because they can become clogged and it's a fire hazard.
One of the things that we noticed when we started the duct cleaning was that dryer vents happen to be probably one of the most plugged vents in your home. Along with consuming more energy when those vents are plugged, there's a risk of fire for those vents being clogged up with all that lint.
So if people want to have your highly skilled technicians come out to their home, how do people get in touch with RJ Groner?
So a couple simple ways, George. One, go right to our website, rjgroner.com. You can find us on Facebook. You can call or text us at 570-421-7260, where you'll always get a live person to answer your questions. We'll get an appointment scheduled, and we'll get one of our technicians out to you.